In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how much money down you need in order to buy a house. Why? Well, a recent consumer study conducted by Fannie Mae revealed that over 90% of you think that you need a whole lot more than you actually do for a down payment on a home. Let's dive in. Recently, the mortgage giant Fannie Mae, they have like a 40% market share, conducted a massive survey on consumers asking them what their perceived barriers of entry were to buying a house. Now, the no-brainer, Captain Obvious, is high interest rates, high home prices, but there were some other surprising things that were revealed from the study. One of them being that over 90% of consumers think that they need more than the minimum down payment that's actually required to get a home loan, and they state that down payment amount as being one of the barriers of entry. So in this video, I'm going to clear the air on it. I'm going to explain exactly how much you actually need for a down payment, because at the end of the day, you don't know what you don't know. And there's no reason why misunderstanding or misinformation should be the reason keeping you from buying a house. It should be high interest rates, high home prices, you don't have a job, something like that. Hey, before I dive in, do me a quick favor, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you get more videos like this. All right, so for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which make up like 60%, 65% of all mortgages that are done, the minimum down payment is 3% if you're a first-time home buyer. If you're a second-time home buyer, all you need is 5%. Most people think that you need 10 to 20% down. That's a myth. All you need is 3% down, unless you're using like some sort of gimmicky down payment assistance program, but basically it's 3% is your barrier to entry. Now, if you're using an FHA loan, which makes up like another 15% of market share, you only need 3.5% down, and you don't need to be a first-time home buyer. Now, of course, there's pros and cons to an FHA loan. I've got other videos about that, but my point being is you don't need 10 or 20% down. Now, of course, with a VA loan or a USDA loan, those are 100% financing, aka no down payment. So for the 90% of you out there that thought that you needed a whole lot more than 3%, I hope this clears the air. I hope that's no longer a barrier of entry for you. If you have questions about mortgages, put them in the comments below. Maybe I'll make a video about it. And if you haven't already, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.
It's falling down like she's supposed to be. She gets down for me, down like her temperature, 'cause to me